Tape script 3.9.1.
Hyung, what's the matter?
Oh, Mom, I've hurt my head.
Oh dear, sit down here and tell me what happened.
I was diving into the river and I hit my head on a rock. Now I have a huge bump on my head.
Oh my goodness, let me see. Oh yes, it looks bad. Did you injure any other parts of your body?
Yes, I cut my arm and I twisted my ankle. I have a bruise on my thigh and I have a headache.
Okay, I will take you to the clinic. I'll call them and make an appointment with the doctor.
Thanks, Mom.
End of tape script 3.9.1. Tape script 3.9.2.
Hello,
Hello, Sokha Clinic. How may I help you?
my daughter has bumped her head. She has cut her arm and she has a bruise on her thigh. She also feels sick and she has a headache.
Okay. I think it would be a good idea to come to the clinic and see the doctor.
Is he there now?
No, he isn't. He should be here in about an hour. He's gone to see a patient. He shouldn't be long. The clinic is very quiet today, so you shouldn't have to wait too long. He should be able to see your daughter straight away.
Will she need to stay overnight?
No, she shouldn't have to stay overnight.
Okay, I'll come to the clinic straight away. It shouldn't take me long to get there. I should be there in 15 minutes.
Okay, see you in 15 minutes. Bye.
Thanks for your help. Bye.
End of tape script 3.9.2. Tape script 3.9.3.
Hello, young man. Could you tell me your symptom, please?
Sorry, doctor. I don't understand.
Could you tell me what is wrong with you, please? Your symptoms?
Oh, I have a headache.
Is it severe? Is it very bad?
Yes, and I have a pain behind my eyes. I also have bad pains in my muscles and in my elbows and knees. They hurt a lot, and I feel sick all the time.
Okay. I'll take your temperature. Could you sit here, please? Nurse, could you pass me the thermometers, please? Open your mouth. Good. Could you keep the thermometer in your mouth for 2 minutes, please, young man? You have a temperature of 39 degrees. This is very bad. Could you take your shirt off, please? Yes. You have a rash on your back, a big red spot.
Oh, is it very bad?
No, it is not severe. Not too bad. Now, could you put your shirt back on, please?
Oh, could you tell me your diagnosis, please, doctor?
I have looked at your symptoms. My diagnosis is you have dengue fever.
Dengue fever?
Yes, I will do a blood test. Your test results should be ready tomorrow. I will give you some medicine now to help you. Then you should go home and rest. Could you come back tomorrow and see the health volunteer? She should be here at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Okay, doctor. Could you write the name of the medicine on the prescription for me, please?
Yes, take it to the pharmacy. The pharmacist should be able to give you the medicine immediately. You should feel better tomorrow.
Could you tell me where the pharmacy is, please?
Speak to the nurse. She will help you.
Thank you, doctor.
End of tape script 3.9.3. Tape script 3.9.4.
Listen, check, and repeat. A. Could you tell me your symptoms, please? B. Nurse, could you pass me the thermometer, please? C. Could you tell me your diagnosis, please, doctor? D. Could you write the name of the medicine on the prescription for me, please? E. Could you tell me where the pharmacy is, please?
End of tape script 3.9.4.